Civilization or Barbarism, an authentic anthropology by Dr. Cheikh and Diop. The Dogon give the elliptical trajectory of Digitaria. When it is near Sirius, it appears more brilliant, and when it is far off, it gives the impression that several stars are shining. The Dogon speak of a male and a female soul, and of pairs of rays. These are indeed principles of opposites, the syzygies of the Hermopolitan cosmogony, which are the basis of creation of the universe. In the following article entitled Bambara, Writing of Numbers by Solange de Gane, it appears that the Bambara know the so-called Pythagorean symbolism of numbers, and that they had even adopted an original system of writing or notation that we partially reproduce. A first group of 8 signs, called the secret count, reproduces the first 7 numbers, which, according to a Bambara myth, were engraved in space when, through his word, the Creator formed the universe. It is said that they contain the whole universe, for they are the arithmetical summary of the Creator and his work. The number 1 represents the primordial thought that formed the world. 2 symbolizes the splitting in two of the first principle. The number 3 corresponds to the element of fire and the masculine principle. It is the origin of life, movement, and time. The number 4 symbolizes the female principle, born of the male principle, nature, and the element of water. Number 5 is the synthesis of the Creator and his work. See Hermopolitan cosmogony, the 5 greats. 6 represents male as well as female, twinship. 7, which is the sum of 3 and 4, represents the couple, the person, both male and female, intelligence, fecundity, and the earth. As for the first of these 8 signs, called Fugundo or Foigundo, the secret of nothing, in some way it represents creation in potentiality, its starting point. In other words, the primordial thought that secretly existed in nothing. The fork represents the duality of the first principle generating itself. The cross represents the multiplicity of everything, the consequence of this division, while the bar placed at the end of the sign, called the wind's nose, foi nu, means that the 4 elements of which beings are formed proceed from the divine substance itself, and initially from the air. We'll pause right here, continue back. Chapter 17 of Civilization or Barbarism. I'm Uriel. We'll continue.